just like candy. She's so sweet.
Y'all, it's Keisha. Nice to meet you and welcome back if you've been here before. And today I wanted to make a video on post hair care after dyeing your hair, because it's extremely important to, bring back moisture. You want to add protein back into your hair, keratin. It's important because, especially if curly hair, after dyeing it, it gets extremely dry. And look at this. It looks like one of those tumbleweeds in the desert. So hopefully after this treatment, it brings back shine. Hopefully my hair is more manageable and less frizzy and softer, because right now it is, like I said, it's dry. And I don't want to waste any more of you guys' time, so let's just get into the video. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys what I'm going to be using to wash my hair. I'm going to be using the Creme of Nature with argan oil from Morocco, Moisture and Shine Shampoo. I'm just going to be using that on my scalp to just like cleanse it out, because I did a hot oil treatment yesterday and I just came back from the gym. So I have buildup and my hair is kind of dirty, so yeah, I'm gonna use that on my scalp. And then I'm gonna use this platinum purple shampoo from Royd, and I got this from Japan, Amazon. As you can see, it's made in Japan. Yeah, I'm only saying that because I'm not sure if they sell it in America, but I'm pretty sure any purple shampoo works for blonde hair if you're trying to, get rid of some of that bronze color. You know what I'm saying? And then for the main event, I'm going to be using the Aphogee 2-step protein treatment. Here it is. And I only have like a little bit left, like halfway left, because I used this bottle the first time I dyed my hair. And let me tell you, it worked. My hair was looking good. It works wonders, because my hair was dry and brittle the first time I dyed my hair, and then I used that like a few days after, and like it just brought back shine. My hair felt stronger, and there was noticeably less breakage. Like after brushing my hair out with a Denman brush, my hairball, all curly girls know what the hairball looks like, the ball was less. And it was surprising to me, because when my hair was black, I was having a lot of breakage, and then I used this for the first time, and after I dyed my hair, there was less breakage. So that was really surprising to me. And then to follow the 2-step protein treatment, I'm going to use the Keratin 2-minute Reconstructor. And this is the truth, you guys. Like, yeah, I definitely recommend this. This is the bomb. Yeah. And yeah, so I'm gonna go wash my hair, and then I'm gonna be back to demonstrate the protein treatment. Alright, so I just hopped out the shower, and I'm gonna put the 2-step protein treatment into a spray bottle, just because it's easier to put in my hair, because it's in liquid form. So yeah. I really don't have that much left. Yeah. And it also does not smell good. But hopefully this works. Alright. And my hair is damp. It's still damp. I'm gonna focus on my bangs and the ends of my hair, just because I don't have that much left. If I still had a lot, I would definitely coat all of my hair. So I'm just gonna start with the front of my hair, and then focusing on my ends. supposed to brush it out, but since my hair is still pretty damp, I think it's okay. Especially because it hasn't dried up yet. Okay, so I put the rest of it in my hair, and it says do not touch it because it can break off easily once it's dried. So I'm just gonna try not to touch it, and I'm gonna blow dry it on low heat, and then once it's completely dried out, I'm gonna rinse it out in lukewarm water. All right, so my hair is completely dry. Also, I don't know if you guys can tell, but the purple shampoo did tone down like my bangs a little bit. Right here is still pretty yellow, but I think it like blended my hair even more, which is a good sign. You're not supposed to be touching it. I don't know why I keep touching it. It's a habit. My hands are sticky and like my chest and my back and my shoulders, they're really sticky from my hair. But my hair is completely dry now. It is stiff, and that's how it's supposed to be. And once it's stiff, you're supposed to re-wet your hair and like wash all of this product out. And then I'm gonna, like I said before, I'm gonna use the Keratin 2-minute reconstructor. Um, yeah, so I'm gonna go head back into the shower. Yeah, I'm just really exhausted. I'm such a lazy natural, and like, who else hates wash day? Or, when you need to do a deep conditioner or protein treatment, hopping in and out of the shower is exhausting. Like, it's killing my vibe, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, I'm gonna hop in and then I'm gonna leave this in for 5 minutes and then wash that out, and then I'm gonna style as usual. So yeah, stay tuned. You can't tell that it's stiff on camera, but it's hard. Like, stop touching it. Dang. Okay, so I rinsed everything out, and I'm just gonna go ahead and style my hair like usual. Just gonna section off my hair. I like to style my hair when it's soaking wet, and I don't know, it just really helps with the distributing. And I feel like it just gives me maximum like definition. And I'm gonna be using Curl's Blueberry Bliss reparative leave-in conditioner. I showed you guys this when I was dyeing my hair. That's what I use to style my hair. I like it because, one, it smells really good. It smells like blueberries, but like in a candy type of way. And it's super light on my hair. Like, it doesn't weigh my hair down. And yeah, that's what I like. So I coat my hair with the Blueberry Bliss first, and then I use the Multicultural Curls styling lotion. And this is pretty much like a gel. I use it as a gel. And it also smells like really fruity. I like that it smells really fruity. It just adds to the Blueberry Bliss. And I get so many compliments on like how my hair smells. Okay, so for my bangs, they are a little long, but I feel like I shouldn't cut them yet. I use only a tiny amount of this. Sometimes I don't even use it at all and only use the styling lotion, but today I'm gonna use it. Massage it in and brush it out. You can see my hair still curls up. Like, that's pretty good. And then I'm gonna put some styling gel in it. I split it into two sections, like the top and the bottom. Make sure everything's evenly coated. I just start finger coiling and then like, look, I do like a few spins and my hair is just already coiled up. And then I just do the same for the top. Well, I split it into two because it helps with, what's it called, volume. So my hair isn't like super flat. But look at that, I barely have to touch it. What I use is the Meal Rosemary Mint and Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. I'll show you guys this. I'm almost out, so I'm just gonna put a little in my hand. And I'm just gonna massage it in my hands and just like scrunch the ends of my hair with it. Just to seal in the moisture at the end. I'm just gonna flip my hair. And I'm just gonna let it air dry. It might take like a few hours, but yeah, I'll come back with the result. Alright, guys, do you see the shine? Do you see the definition of my curls? Like, look at this. And the purple shampoo actually made my hair like blend in. Like, it toned my bangs a little, and honestly, it looks professionally done, if I do say so myself. My roots are still dark, but I don't know. I think it looks good. And my hair feels soft. Like, it doesn't feel like I just dyed it. I definitely recommend the Aphogee products. And let me know if you guys used it too. And let me know how well it worked out for you guys. But I definitely recommend the products. They are the truth. I feel like the hair speaks for itself. And she didn't come to play. Peace.
She just like candy.